Good morning. It's about 4:15 in the morning in the Riviera Maya. Busy day today. We'll take a look at some properties just south of Tulum. So hope you like this video. Come join me today and let's go explore the south of Tulum together. I find it really amazing that as we age, or as I age, I tend to wake up early in the morning just automatically, and I only need maybe like 5 hours of sleep. So last night I went to bed around 11 and I woke up this morning around 3:50. Interesting how the body changes, eh? But I feel rested and ready to conquer the day because, you know, life is short. See how much you can accomplish today. Okay, we're in the car. Let's get out of here, man. South of Tulum. Let's go take this journey together, guys. We're gonna come back later. Check it out. So this is the Maya train. Looks like we're at a pay station here. This is truly Mexican. Mexico is very similar to Canada. We're turning left here. Well, and it's another 40 minutes roughly.
You have to get out your money because we cannot take care about this. But they cannot fraud. That's it. Yeah, and there is another people who wants to come to Mexico and really move to Mexico. The another side where the boats. Kind of the same like in Tulum, you know?
Yeah.
The Fifth Avenue.
Ah, yeah.
But I think more beautiful than the Fifth Avenue, close to the beach.
Yeah.
They cannot build here when the people start to left in the ferry.
Oh, this is where they're going to be walking, hey?
Yes.
We're in Mahawa. I think I'm pronouncing it right with Jairo. Talk to you later. It's perfect for them, huh?